What's going on, guys? So it's been a minute since I made a video, but I recorded some things. I'll just do a little update real quick. I don't give a shit. I'm just gonna start. So yeah, I crashed my fucking car. That's why it's all taken apart. I was saving these parts so I could show you guys the damage, which I'm gonna do right now so I can hurry up and throw these shits away. So basically, let me put a glove on so I can grab everything. There we go. So I'll show you where it was, but I was taking a corner too hard and my front tires were bald, so I tried braking because I thought I was gonna oversteer and I slid right into the concrete. I'll probably put like the video of the actual place where it is over my talking. Destroyed my bumper, just this side, but I'm probably gonna have to get a new one because this is ugly. Everything is all fucked up. One of the fog lights exploded, crumbled up my fenders. I mean, I'm pretty sure I could reuse this, but I don't know, it's all ugly. I'm probably just gonna get new ones. Probably take that off. This is the one I previously chopped up because my control arm was bent to shit. Speaking of which, when I crashed, I destroyed my stock control arms. Here, let me show you guys. This is the decent one. This is the normal one right here. You can see how it's kind of smooth. It looks, is that the normal one? Let me see which one was the bent one. Yeah, this is the bent one. You can see how it like curves down. This part right here is like bent in. You see, I'll compare it to this one real quick. This one is more of like a straight flush, like they're kind of level. But look at this one. So that threw off everything. So I had to get new control arms. But I will show you guys those control arms right now. I ended up replacing my control arms with E46 control arms, which, if you don't know, apparently these are better. They pull out the bottom end of the hub, so you get more camber. I had to go online and buy these adapters. They were like $140. Got them for both sides because the E46 lollipop adapters, or the lollipop like bushings, are different. So did that, and since they push out this side more, I had to get extended tie rods. So I got E90 inner tie rods and E36 outer ones. I got them all new, so everything will be easy to put together. But they're decent. They do toe out a little bit. I'm gonna probably try to fix that eventually, but they work for now. And the only issue with the E46 arms is the sway bar end link. It's too, it doesn't fit. There's no place for it to go. So I have to get the M3 end links. They bolt up to this hole right here on the strut. You can see that better. So yeah, that's my bumper. Let's see if I can get a better shot of that. That thing is all messed up. I'm gonna take the fog light out of it probably and throw the rest away. What else do I have? Here are like the shock absorbers that go behind the bumper, or the yeah, I guess the bumper. And basically they're supposed to like compress when you hit something up front, so it does like minimizes the damage. And this one blew when I crashed it into the concrete, so you can see it's like easily compressible and uncompressible. And this one was the one that was already on the car as well. It already was blown and they had a bolt through it to hold it in place, so you could tell that this one wasn't working either, so it wouldn't have done any absorbing of damage if I crashed on that side. So I replaced those two with functioning ones. Let's see what else. Yeah, my fan took a beating. So I got a new fan right there. So yeah, you can see all these broken parts from when I crashed. It's sad, it's a shame. It cost me like $350 just to get it running again with all the suspension components. So yeah, I'm gonna throw all this shit away and I'll explain what we're doing with this. Alright, anyway, I threw away most of that shit. I didn't want to bend that right now because it's nighttime and I don't want to be too loud, and I have to bend it to throw it away. But anyway, so the reason I have the diff out anyway is because I was drifting, and mid-entry on one drift. Where's my fucking flashlight? Mid-entry on a drift, I heard a loud pop. And I'm like, oh shit, did my diff open up? Because I thought my welds broke that Nando and I welded ever so carefully. They weren't really that careful, but anyway. And it turned out that my welds didn't break. I was still a welded diff when I did a U-turn. But my front diff bolt snapped. And there's 3 bolts that hold my diff in place. It's the 2 back bolts, which go on these like ear things. And there's only one in the front. Excuse the... Fucking Nando, I forgot that he welded that on there when we did the diff. Just excuse that. Anyway. So there was... So yeah, there's apparently like it's a common thing on E36s for the bolts, the front diff bolts to snap. So I tried taking it out. I took out the diff. I tried taking out the bolt, and it was kind of a pain in the ass. So I think I'm just gonna get a new differential. Anyway, I figured since we have it here outside of the vehicle, we would open it up because it's been about what 5 months since I've welded it. And I want to see how the shitty welds have done on the actual gears and the inside. So I think I'm going to open this up, take a look at the welds, see if they're still good. And you guys will finally see, because I didn't show you guys when I welded it, you guys will see how shitty the welds are. And just to show you guys that that'll hold up for like, for me it's been holding up good. I haven't noticed any play in it. So we're just going to open it up and find out. Alright, here we go. I believe it's a 16. Oh, I think these are a different size. Oh no, it's a 16, alright. Let's hold this in place. Alright, there we go. Oh. Oh my god. Well. Oh wow. There is a lot of... Okay, I should have done another flush, I think. Okay, yeah, this was going out. I'm surprised it held up so long. There's a lot of fucking metal chunks in there. So basically, okay, all of this, I have to turn it, that's right. So that's my welds. Oh my god. Okay, let this be a lesson. Look at all this shit. You can just move it around. I'm surprised it still held up. This ugly ass welds. Alright, so first of all, look at this. This is all metallic shit. I want to show you guys this shit because it was a lot worse than I thought. Because I thought it was holding up good, but it looks like it was, I don't know, it was bound to go out anytime soon, I think. First, let me take all this shit out. That's just like oil and metal mixed together. Oh my god. You see all the metal in there? Just take a couple pieces out, just right out of there. This is the funniest shit ever. I can't wait for Nando to see this. I'm actually gonna see if he can come over real quick and look at this. Are you guys? Can this thing turn? What the fuck? Alright, let me turn this by hand. So let me put the camera down real quick. Well, I was trying to turn it by hand, but I fucking spilled everything. God damn it! I really wanted to see how much metal was in this. Oh my god, dude! All over my hammer. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go pick up Nando right now. And we're gonna see what he thinks. We'll catch you guys in a minute. I have Nando in here with me. What? Nando, what do you think happened to my differential?
The bolt snap?
The bolt did snap. That happened at S-turn. Okay. So I decided, so I didn't want to fix it because it's stuck in there, and I'm gonna get like a higher ratio diff. So I was like, alright, fuck it. For the video, I'll take it apart and I'll see how the welds are doing. Like, feel the bottom where the corners are. Huh? Oh shit. See the parts? take off my fucking gloves.
Oh, slag. It's still welded.
Yeah, it's still welded, but I think I want to get like look at this. This is the magnet piece, I'm pretty sure.
Let me see.
Look at this.
Oh my god.
You could see like all the metal parts just came off.
Where's the bolt that got stuck?
Right here. This is the bolt that broke off.
Wait, you can't get that out?
I could, but the other end is fucked up.
What I'll do is I'll drill that out, buy a bigger bolt, put a nut and bolt in the back.
Yeah, but I don't think a nut would fit back here, but I could try that.
You get like a skinnier one and you just put a steel bolt instead of those ones.
Yeah. It's alright, I want a new diff anyway.
That was worse than mine. I was missing gears out of mine.
Really?
Yeah.
From when you welded it?
When I had the Jay-Z in it.
Oh shit.
Damn, you can see all. Oh, there's a chunk coming out. Damn, look at all that metallic, bro.
I know, it's all fucking shiny.
You know what I should do? What's he gonna do, Mary?
But
Ugh. Oh, fuck.
right here, point it at this.
Man, look at all the metal on that. And that's bubbles.
No, that's a chunk. Dude! Oh, that was a big one too. Look, you see just attaching? Look, that's from the diff. Can you see it?
Hey, stay still, stay still.
That's all from the welds. Like, it just chunked out. Here, let me see if I can grab another one. Dude, I'm just picking them up.
What the fuck?
Look at that hair out.
Dude, look at all the balls.
That's from when we tried welding it, dude. Dude, look at this.
Whoa.
Hold on, let me see if I can get any.
It's like mud. It looks like mud.
I thought that, you know, when I pulled it out, I was like, you know what? The welds are still intact. My shitty welding was good. Yeah, Nando and we welded it good.
Our shitty welding.
But I think I need to get a plate.
Nah, it's not needed.
Well, how long do you think this would have lasted me? I mean, it would have lasted a while. Look, the welds
Still looks fine.
The welds are still strong in there.
See, it spins, Jerry.
Like, look, I just put it in there and this just came out.
Right there. Try extend the magnet.
It doesn't. This one's broken.
Oh, that's fine. Let's see. Check. Go to the bottom of it. See
Yeah,
if you pick up.
I have another one. I'll go to the bottom of the other one.
Let's see. See if you can go to the bottom. See what's down there.
Yo, dude! I just pulled out like a mountain of shit. This off a little.
That's the spot right there. Huh?
I'm gonna go back in there. You see how much metal shit we can get. Every time I go in, there's like a bigger piece.
Fuck, I can't really see. That's all metal balls right there.
That's a fucking chunk. Got the juice off. What the Okay guys, we're making progress. We're putting them in this metal container. We just found a little extra in there. Nando's digging up in there for more. We're getting so much metal just from the bottom of this. It must have all been sloshing around. So we'll come back in a minute for this. So this is just from us digging around for a couple minutes.
That's like a mountain. That's like, oh.
That was all just.
That literally looks like just dirt.
Yeah, that was all just sitting in the diff, just on the bottom and around the gears and stuff.
So what does that mean, Maurice? What are you gonna do now?
I'm gonna get a new diff, and I'm gonna weld a plate into it.
Who's gonna weld it?
Well, not me. I'm gonna get someone who's good at welding to weld it.
I think that's me, guys.
Nando, you welded half of this.
That's why I didn't break.
I was recording the diff, and I seen your dick, and I forgot that it was your dick. And I was like, oh shit, sorry guys, there's a dick there. Okay guys, I got everything put away. That's it for this video today. Just wanted to give you guys an update. Thanks Nando for showing up. But next video I'm probably gonna go to the junkyard, grab another diff, open it up, and find someone who can weld it. But yeah, after this I'll just throw in some clips of us drifting last week at Sunday Funday. Hope you guys enjoy that. It's been
I was there, guys.
Yeah, Nando was there with his 1J big turbo RX-7 outro. I gotta take Nando home, and this thing is taken apart like shit. So, gonna find a new diff.
Oh, I'll put this on my turbo.
Dude, pull it out. Let me see.
That's too small.